S2000s have yet to notice me.
Howdy Rockstars, and welcome to a new video. Today, I'm going to start unboxing what I'm told is a very rare Fujitsubo single exhaust for the S2000. One, it's rare because the muffler tip is on the driver's side, rather than the passenger. And two, there aren't any sound clips, like anywhere, at least not that I found. So that being said, this video is the first. Not only that, I'm going to start here with the unboxing, and then a little bit of the install, and then I'm going to wrap it up with the sound clip at the very end. So stick around. Don't expect it to be a deep, throaty exhaust. This exhaust comes with two pretty big resonators and a muffler at the very end there. And this system comes with all necessary hardware for installation, along with a sticker. Here's some fun facts about Fujitsubo. Fujitsubo's factory is literally located at the base of Mount Fuji. That's in Japan. They started with building motorcycle engines way back in 1931, and now they have thousands of exhaust applications for hundreds of cars, from OEM fitment to aftermarket support. They also make headers and other JASMA certified products. Ever wonder what JASMA stands for? Japan Automotive Sports Muffler Association. Basically means it's street legal in Japan. Alright Rockstars, looks like we have the stock exhaust out, and now here's a side-by-side comparison of the Fujitsubo and the OEM. This installation is pretty straightforward, but just in case you get lost, it does come with instructions, and it did come in handy. Even though it's in Japanese, you could still look at the pictures. Rockstars, here's the first sound clip from inside the shop. Alright Rockstars, here comes the outside sound clip. Alrighty Rockstars, and that does it for this episode. Thank you so much for stopping in. Let me know what you think of the Fujitsubo exhaust. Do you like that it comes out of the driver's side? And how about that exhaust note? What did you guys think of that? Sorry about the wind noise. And what did you guys think of the overall video? Did I do it justice? After doing a little more research, I found that Fujitsubo actually already has a sound clip out. They put it out 5 years ago. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and you guys tell me which video is better. Pick mine. Let me know in the comments, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, ring that bell.